People who got plastic surgeries to look like animals. Maria Jose Christina wanted to look like a bat, and now she looks like this. Ted Richards wanted to look like a parrot, and now he looks like this. People who got plastic surgeries to look like animals. Rodrigo Braga wanted to look like a dog, and now he looks like this. Erik spraugue wanted to look like a lizard, and now he looks like this. People who got surgeries to look like animals. Toko-San. A Japanese man has spent over 12,000 euro on a hyper-realistic dog costume to fulfill his lifelong dream of becoming an animal. He commissioned Zeppet, a company that makes costumes for TV adverts and films. To produce his bespoke costume took them 40 days. Toko-San explained, "Though that's a large animal, my size would be good considering that it would be a realistic model, so I decided to become a dog," he clarified. People who got surgeries to look like animals. Thomas Thwaites, also known as the Goat Man, always wanted to become a goat. He created a functioning goat machine to turn himself into one. He now spends his days walking around like a goat. People who got plastic surgery to look like animals. Some leopard wanted to look like a leopard. Dennis Havana wanted to look like a tiger. Plastic surgery's gone way too far. Sarah Taba wanted to look like Angelina Jolie. Now she looks like this. Rodrigo tried looking like Red Skull. Now he looks like this. Follow for more.